Hi, in this video we are going to see the 4 central government recruitment notifications, guys. That means the recruitment notifications announced from the 4 different central institutes. So it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the government job notifications, guys. Here the eligibility either UG or the PG, fresher or else the experienced candidate. So for all these candidates here the vacancies are there, guys. So I think it will be the wonderful opportunity and very good news to the candidates who are having the graduation, okay, and post graduation, guys, even the fresher or experienced. So whatever the vacancies I'm going to show you in this video, okay, the salaries are mentioned as 25,000 rupees per month to 35,000 rupees per month. And apart from this one, you are going to get the HRA and additional allowances are also provided. Okay, so please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and give me one like for this video, guys. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UG NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so out of the 4 institutes whatever I told, the first one we will start with CSK Himachal Pradesh Krishi Vishwavidyalaya Palampur recruitment branch and the fellowship notice. Okay, so applications are invited on the prescribed form from the eligible candidates for the fellowship in the ad hoc project as per the details given below. The application complete in all respects, although the bank draft of the appropriate amount of processing fee in favor of Comptroller K. Palampur should reach the office of Head Department of Soil Science latest by 12th July 2021 up to evening 5 o'clock. And the name of the fellowship is Project Associate, and one fellowship position is there. Remuneration is 28,000 rupees per month. It is fixed plus HRA as per the university norms will be available. And coming to the qualification, MSc in soil science or physiology or biotechnology or genetics with 1 to 2 years of experience in micronutrients analysis in soil plant system, or apart from this qualification, if you're having the master's degree in chemistry or botany plus 1 to 2 years experience in the micronutrients analysis in soil plant system. Okay, so if you're having this qualification, then you can apply for this one, guys. Okay, the processing fee is, application processing fees 450 rupees and 100 rupees for the reserved category. And work specific interaction will be held on 15th July 2021 in the office of Head of the Department Soils and COA. Okay, application form or fee and other related terms and conditions as notified by this office. So here the application form, okay, you can get from the official website of this one, guys. So it is the official website. I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you're interested, go to the official website and then check out the details regarding this one, guys. Fine. And coming to the next one is National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences. So don't think that here all the vacancies are regarding the medicine only. Okay, not like that, guys. So watch this vacancy also. So notification released on 25th June 2021. So first one is psychiatry. Anyhow, my subscribers are not belongs to medicine field mostly. So name of the post of program manager. So one post is there. Essential qualification post PhD in psychiatric social work or the clinical physiology with 1 year of experience. And coming to the next one, program assistant trainer, 5 posts are there. MPhil in physiatric social work or the clinical psychology. And a coordinator, 1 post. MSW with 1 year of experience in projects or research activities related to women and mental health. And media coordinator, so 1 post is there. Here the degree in mass media and communication or journalism or media or related field with at least 1 year of experience. Okay, 35,000 rupees per month consolidated is available. Age limit is 35 years, guys. And IT manager position is there, 1 post. So for this one, MCA or BE or BTech candidates can apply for this one. And the salary is 35,000 rupees per month. Okay, it is a consolidated. Maximum age limit is 35 years. Duration of the post is 12 months. Okay, and here the Google Forms is provided here. So you have to simply fill up this Google form, guys. So resume or CV, copy of the mark sheets and a copy of age proof, and the candidate would need to make own arrangement for quarantine period and as well as during the service at project employment. The last date of receipt of application is 5th July 2021. Okay guys, so these are the details regarding this recruitment notification guys. Just you have to fill up the Google form. Okay, no need of application fee also. And coming to the third notification, so it is National Hub for Healthcare Instrumentation and Development guys. So from this one here we got notification. So funded by Department of Science and Technology for carrying out the mission oriented projects related to healthcare instrumentation. Here I will directly go to the post guys. Accounts officer, one post is there, 30,000 to 34,000 rupees per month. Essential qualification is MCom or MBA with at least 5 years of experience in accounts and finance. Okay, so experience in office administration, payroll, finance and accounts, UC and SOE preparation, etc. So if you're having MCom or MBA with 5 years of experience in accounts and finance, then you can apply for this one. The shortlisted candidates will be directly called for the interview guys, and the last date to submit your CV is 14th July 2021, along with the copies of educational certificates to the coordinator through post only to the below mentioned address. Okay, so it is a mentioned address guys. So to this address you have to send through the post. Fine. And major duties of the account officer is also given here. So I will provide this link in the description box of this video guys. Interested candidates may go through this one. If you are having any queries, here the contact number is also provided, so you may contact to this number guys. Okay, so yeah, here the application form is also attached. Okay, you can download this application form and fill up all these details. Okay, and attach the relevant documents and then post them to the provided mail ID. Sorry, provided address guys, not the mail ID. You have to send the hard copy. Okay, next coming to the last one, it is DST Center for Policy Research. Okay, advertisement released on 1st July 2021. So here a few posts are there. First one is a scientific officer. One vacancy is there. Age less than 40 years as on 15th July 2021. 30,000 rupees is a consolidated. Essential qualifications: PhD or MTech or ME with 2 years of experience in R&D or industry, or MSc or MCA with 3 years of experience in R&D or the industry. Okay, desirable things are also mentioned. Next one, name of the post: secretarial staff or the data entry operator. One vacancy, 20,000 rupees consolidated. Age limit is less than 40 years. No need of qualification and anything, just only the degree, MSc or MC or MSc in IT. If you're having this qualification, then you may apply for this one guys. Okay, the candidates are advised to send their application via electronic mail only, that means only email. So here the mail ID is also provided, and the CV and additional information asked is to be sent only in the prescribed pro forma enclosed as attachment in the single PDF. Do not send your CV via surface mail. It will not be entertained. Fine. The last date is the 15th July 2021, evening 5 o'clock. And it is the selection will be based upon the interview only guys. No TADA will be provided, and here the contact numbers are also provided. You have to call in between 2 to 3 o'clock to this contact number if you are having any queries regarding this one. Here the application form is also mentioned, so you may check down guys. Okay, and I will provide all these 4 PDF links in the description box of this video, so please check out this one guys, and don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues, and please subscribe the channel to get the more notifications like this. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.